everyone and welcome back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where luxury homes, modern design, and dream lifestyles come together. If you love discovering beautiful properties across Texas and imagining your future home, you're in the right place. Today we're touring an incredible Texas house that truly stands out, featuring a modern layout, elegant finishes, and one of the most in-demand features right now, 2 master bedrooms. As the video begins, we take you up into the sky for a stunning drone day view. From above, this home makes an immediate impression with its clean architectural lines, spacious layout, and beautifully maintained surroundings. The exterior design showcases a sophisticated gray and blue color palette that feels both modern and timeless. Large windows wrap around the home, allowing natural light to pour inside throughout the day while giving the property a bold, luxury presence from the outside. As we move closer and step through the front entrance, you're welcomed into a bright and inviting interior. High ceilings and an open layout create a sense of space the moment you walk in. The gray and blue tones continue inside, giving the home a calm, elegant atmosphere that feels perfect for both everyday living and entertaining guests. Every detail has been carefully designed to balance comfort and modern style. One of the most special spaces in this home is the dedicated prayer room. Quiet, peaceful, and thoughtfully designed, this room offers a calm retreat away from the busyness of daily life. Soft lighting, minimal decor, and soothing colors make it an ideal place for reflection, prayer, or meditation, adding a meaningful and personal touch to the home. Flowing naturally from the entry, we arrive in the main living room. This space is open, bright, and welcoming, with large windows that fill the room with daylight. The modern design, paired with the gray and blue color scheme, creates a luxurious yet cozy environment. It's the perfect place to relax with family, host friends, or simply unwind at the end of the day. The living area connects seamlessly to the kitchen, which truly serves as the heart of the home. This modern luxury kitchen features stylish gray and blue cabinetry, sleek countertops, and a spacious center island that's perfect for cooking, dining, or gathering with loved ones. High-end appliances, ample storage, and clean finishes make this kitchen both functional and visually impressive, whether you're preparing everyday meals or hosting special occasions. Just beyond the kitchen, the dining area offers space for memorable meals and conversations. A modern dining table sits beneath elegant lighting, creating a warm and inviting setting for family dinners or entertaining guests. The open concept design keeps everything connected while still allowing each space to feel distinct. The home also includes a spacious garage designed with practicality and style in mind. With plenty of room for vehicles, storage, and extra space for hobbies or tools, it adds everyday convenience that Texas homeowners truly appreciate. One of the biggest highlights of this property is its 2 master bedrooms. Each master suite is generously sized, offering comfort, privacy, and flexibility. Designed with the same gray and blue color palette, these rooms feel calm and luxurious, making them perfect for multi-generational living, long-term guests, or homeowners who want extra space without compromise. Both master bedrooms are designed to feel like personal retreats within the home. The bathrooms continue the luxury experience with modern finishes, elegant tiles, glass showers, and spa-inspired details. These spaces are designed to help you relax and recharge, offering both style and comfort in every corner. 4. Those who value health and wellness, the home includes a private gym area. This space allows you to stay active without leaving home, featuring room for modern equipment and mirrors that give it a professional feel. Nearby, a stylish swing area adds a unique and cozy element to the house, perfect for relaxing moments or casual seating. As we step outside, we're welcomed into a true backyard oasis. The swimming pool instantly catches your eye, offering a resort-style atmosphere that's ideal for Texas weather. The outdoor TV lounge completes the space, making it perfect for entertaining, watching games, or enjoying peaceful evenings with family and friends. The gray and blue design theme ties everything together beautifully, creating a polished and luxurious outdoor living experience. This home perfectly combines modern design, thoughtful features, and everyday comfort. With its 2 master bedrooms, elegant interiors, and stunning outdoor spaces, it's a property that truly represents the lifestyle many buyers are looking for today. If you'd like more information about this home, pricing, or availability, be sure to check the links in the description below. Thank you for watching American Dream Mansions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and we'll see you in the next luxury home tour.